Hello, children. Welcome to today's Cultural and Creative Art. In today's lesson, we are looking at the meaning of shapes. The meaning of shapes. A shape is an element of design. It is the appearance of an object as defined by the outer surface. A shape is an element of design. It is the appearance of an object as defined by the outer surface. Shapes are formed or created when lines are combined. Shapes are formed or created when lines are combined. For examples, a line is used to create a circle. A line is used to create a circle. Three lines are used to create different types of triangle, and so on. Types of shapes. There are three types of shapes. Number one, geometric shapes. Number one, geometric shapes. Geometric shapes are regular shapes that are easily recognized as shapes. For examples are circles, square, and triangle. They are man-made shapes. Number two, natural or organic shapes. Natural or organic shapes. Natural or organic shapes are irregular shapes found in nature or organic. For examples are leaves, rock, cloud. They are curves, uneven, and are from natural world like plants and animals. Number three, the last one, abstract shapes. Abstract shapes are not real but have recognizable form. A good example of abstract shape is an icon in computer system and mobile phone system and mobile. Making pattern using combination of lines and shapes. Making pattern using combination of lines and shapes. Lines and shapes are two elements in art that are mostly used together, as shown below. Can you try it? I believe you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.